So in this demonstration, we're going to start off with a very simple interaction with our MCP and our Clear database. So what we're going to do is, using the MCP protocol, we're going to query the Clear influx database, and we're just going to identify who were our top talkers at a specific time. So we're going to use our prompt. This is a brand new chat with no other configuration. And what I'm going to basically do is I'm going to ask it what were the top talkers on the network yesterday at noon. And I'm going to prompt it with a little bit of a hint, telling it to use a specific database for the query. Now, we don't have to do that. We could let it go ahead and do a full inspection of the entire database and discover everything. But part of the prompting process should be to help speed up this mechanism and make it more efficient. So the system will go off now and query through the local server and identify the time range and all of the information that it needs to extract the data. And once it's done that, it'll query the database, extract all that information, and then produce a table. So you can see we've got some data coming back. We've now identified all the information, and we're now going to produce a simple report of all of the different clients and top talkers on the network. And part of that will also identify what those devices are, the protocols that are running, and you can see it has identified that most of that data is coming from a market data feed and the server and client associated with that. So that's a very simple interaction between the Claude large language model user interface through MCP into Clear, and then interpolating and understanding that data as a response.